morning, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Aradhya. I am studying in second C. Today I am going to tell you a poem on nature. The title of my poem is Let's Preserve Our Nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what we do, make her a mess. But what we do, make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less. By polluting less and less. And preserve her the green. Rest for kids and the rest.